Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add Spotify link to TikTok bio. First of all, you can open the Spotify application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the option your library at the bottom right corner of the screen that is next to premium. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply tap on playlist at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can see your playlist. That copy a link to TikTok bio. You can just simply tap on the playlist that you want to add a link to TikTok bio. You can just simply see the three dots at the middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can scroll down. You can just simply see the option that is share. Tap on share. After tapping on share, you can just copy the link here. After copy the link, you can go to the TikTok. After going to the TikTok, you can go to the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here tap on edit profile. You can just simply tap on links. You can add Instagram, YouTube. Here go back, tap on bio, and here you can paste a link that you copied on Spotify. After pasting the link that you copied on Spotify, now tap on save, and it is a way you can add Spotify link to TikTok bio. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.